morning, Tigers. It's a beautiful Thursday, and your favorite anchors are back with information on dancing and free money. I'm Nick.
I'm Miles.
And I'm Tai, your guy, giving you the daily dose of dubs. As per usual, it's time to bring you the news and announcements
You need to know.
Market Analysis Club will be having its first meeting. The club focuses on teaching students about different entrepreneurial lines of work and financial markets. The club will be having a local SLO realtor come and speak in next week in Mr. Ross's room, 161. The club will be taking place on Tuesday the 18th at 12:15. Be there.
Class of 2022. If you're planning on college but haven't found a scholarship yet, you still have some opportunities. Some of the best, most lucrative scholarships are offered by the Community Foundation of SLO County. Many of their scholarships are multi-year awards. If you want help applying, the College and Career Office is providing a senior scholarship workshop for seniors who would like training on the SLOHS Local Scholarship application, January 20th during third period in the library. To attend the workshop, seniors must sign up by emailing Ms. Martin at cmartin@slcusd.org or sign up in the College and Career Office and pick up a blue slip to be excused from your third period class. The local application has already been emailed to all seniors on their student accounts. It's due by February 22nd at the very latest, so don't be late.
Do you have a song you want to hear at Winter Formal? Well, now's your chance. Go to the Google form found in the ASB Instagram bio or QR code here. Requests need to be in by Friday, January 21st.
This Friday at lunch, the art club is going to have a meeting in room 510. This meeting will include some open studio time as well, so be there if you want to get artsy.
Oh man, where'd you get that swag?
I got it at the new student store in the ASB room.
Oh really? I'll go check it out, thank you. Hey sir, I saw the new ads about the merch on the TNN. I'm inquiring.
Well, how strange, because we haven't actually had any ads yet. But check this out. New merch, baby. You want to buy some?
Tell me more.
Oh, take a look at this. You're going to love this. You're going to love it. Thanks.
What do we have?
We got small hoodies. We got medium hoodies. We got large hoodies. We got crew necks. We got black and we got gray. It's
Nice.
great, man.
That's awesome. Come to the student store.
In room 508.
Tuesdays and Thursdays at lunch.
To get your hands on these exclusive items.
Thanks, Tigers.
Bye-bye, Tigers.
Look, Tigers, Spikeball at lunch this Friday the 14th in the quad. Be there. And now let's go over to Tai with the sports.
What's brappening, Tigers? It's Tai with the Tiger Sports. Let's get it. On Tuesday, boys Jv and Varsity soccer took on the Santa Maria Saints. The boys JV team failed to capitalize on late chances, but sophomore Ezra Brooks' goal held on to a 1-1 draw with the Saints JV team. In the varsity game, goals from senior Camden Lunsford and Luca Marino were enough to outweigh a late Santa Maria goal, and player of the game, junior Brody Johnson, getting sent off late. The boys varsity soccer team moves on 4-0 and is far alone at the top of the Mountain League. Both teams head to Morro Bay on Friday. The JV girls soccer team won their game against San Jose 5-0, shutting down all opportunities and keeping the ball on the opposing side's half. Their next game is on Tuesday the 18th, and you, the fans, won't be disappointed. Now back to Miles and Nick with lunch and more.
Thanks, Tai for the lunch today. Today we have burgers, beef and veggie, chicken Caesar salad, and of course our local cheese box.
Miles, I heard there was something a little special about lunch today.
There is. It's cookie day.
Did you know that on this day, in the year 1404, the Act of Multipliers was passed by the English Parliament, which forbade alchemists from using their knowledge to create precious metals. It was feared that if any alchemist should succeed, it would bring ruin upon the state.
It's crazy. But how about that Market Analysis Club, you know? Market Analysis Club sounds like it's going to be pretty sick. Sounds like a great idea. I wish I'd thought of it. Oh, that's right, I did think of it. So you should definitely be there. Trust me, it's going to be valid. That's all for today, Tigers. I hope you have a lovely Thursday. And we're almost there. We're almost there to our 3-day weekend.
Stay strong, Tigers. Have a good one.